Okay, guys, I am here to welcome you to our health vlog. Of course, I'm going to be talking to you everything health, plant based, food based, anything that you can do that's going to make your life better today, right? And so I'm here to introduce myself to you officially. Of course, my name is Lakisa Wright. I am commonly known as Rainbow Spirit. So I'm wanting to welcome you to this channel. Of course, I want to be able to engage and interact with you in the comments. Email me, hit me up on Facebook, Instagram, or however you guys can make some kind of contact with me. I would love to hear from you. So, this channel, a little more about this channel, of course, it's going to be about health, things that I have learned along my health journey. I have struggled for years with a condition called hidradenitis suppurativa. And of course, I've gone through such a long journey. I think it would be a disservice not to share some of the things that I've learned from being able to manage that. And so there's also other health conditions that I have experienced in my life. And then, of course, I have taken a great deal of time to focus on improving my health just overall. And so this channel will be dedicated to that information in addition to any type of information that is going to be more so DIY, meaning things that you can do yourself to make your life better, to make your health better. Simply, we can't just put our health in the hands of our doctors and say it's their responsibility. Yes, it's good to go to your doctors, but of course, at the end of the day, there are things that you can do to improve your health. And so, if that's eating a better diet or eating more healthier or being able to pay attention to what your body is telling you, if it is, trying certain products, experimenting with certain teas, certain essential oils, whatever it is, whether it's holistic or alternative, that's what this channel is going to be about. And so I want to welcome you guys to the Health Made Happy, and of course, hoping that you guys will get something from it.